Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to contact Bitget Help Center. Reaching out to a help center is crucial if you need assistance with your account or have any issues that require support. So let's get started on how to contact Bitget Help Center. First, open the Bitget app on your device. Tap on the headphone icon from the top right corner of your screen. Now, at the bottom of the list, you can see the online customer service option. Tap on it. You can now start a chat with BGBOT. Select any topic related to your issue to get the appropriate solution. And this is how you can contact Bitget Help Center. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.